videotape inspection of the 2019 Haas Vf-2Ss with auger, mist collection, Wi-Fi monitoring, give you a quick close-up of the hours. Okay. Okay, we're going to run this machine. It is set up for a 4th axis. It is set up for part and tool probe, and we know we have the part probe, and we're going to try to locate the tool probe. Here's the axes for the X. Most of this machine looks like it's been running aluminum or nylon plastics. Table looks clean. Going into Y. Super quiet. Z. Programmable coolant. Do we know if it's got coolant through this window? I'll find out.
I don't know about that.
Okay, and we'll do a tool change just to show it. I'm going to come around to the side so you can see it through the side door. They have the door interlocks on. Okay, we're going to run the RPMs to 5,000, 8,000, and 12,000. That's at 5,000. I'm about 20 inches from the spindle. 8,000. 12,000. And it looks like it's also got a halo coolant system along with a programmable coolant. Okay, a quick walk around. I'll open the door. The boards. Vector drive, electrical, backup, key fob, thumb drive. This machine's been maintained by the local dealer. It's got coolant system. And this concludes the inspection of the 2019 Vf-2Ss.